You think you've seen luxury? Dubai will blow your mind. And today, we're exploring the most luxurious city in the world. From gold ATMs to police-driving Lamborghinis and $30,000 hotel nights. Dubai is the home of crazy rich. Welcome to my channel. Dubai is known for its extravagant hotels, delicious food, and, of course, its crazy rich lifestyle. But what makes Dubai so rich? Well, it all started when oil was discovered in the desert. Since then, Dubai has become one of the most powerful economies in the world. And it is no surprise that the city is home to some of the most luxurious things you can imagine. One of the most iconic symbols of Dubai's wealth is the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. But that's not enough for Dubai. But it's not just about the buildings. Dubai is also home to some of the most luxurious hotels in the world. The Burj Al Arab is one of the most famous hotels in Dubai, and it's known for its extravagant suites that cost over $25,000 per night. But if you're looking for something even more luxurious, you can stay at the 7-star Emirates Palace Hotel, where the cheapest room costs $30,000 per night. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can go skiing in the desert at Ski Dubai or dine underwater at the amazing underwater restaurant in Dubai. You can do anything. What's your favorite thing about Dubai? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.